to do nothing and feel. Good morning, everyone. At first, in my preparatory days, I was just playing. Sooner enough, I began to challenge myself. When my parents discovered that I have potential to go farther, and this was also my teacher and the classmates as well. I started to realize that the fun I'm making. Where my parents want me to. To my dear classmates, thank you for the memory. To my teachers and school principals, thank you for the time and effort. To my beloved parents who supported me all the way, thank you so much, and I love you. And above all, to our Almighty God, who always gives me and everything. Thank you so much. And once again, I am Juana Vanessa D. Amora. Saying goodbye and God bless us all.
Okay, thank you very much, Keith. Okay, so this time, let us now open our heart and mind, my dear parents, as we listen to an open letter by Maureen Joy Ferry, a grade 3 pupil. Sorry.